This is the MSI Gaming X 16GB RTX 4060 Ti. Let's see if MSI managed to create a cool and quiet graphics card. In terms of size, this card is quite compact. It takes up just 2 slots and it is under 250mm long. It features quite a bold gaming design with this plastic shroud. These parts light up with LEDs. I'll show you that later on. And this logo is also LED. The card is powered by a single 8-pin power connector. In terms of display connectivity, we have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. The GPU is cooled by 3 heat pipes. And because this PCB is quite short, there is a pretty big cutout on the back of the graphics card, which helps with cooling. This backplate serves more than one purpose. The first one is to provide support to the PCB and the heatsink. And the second one is to cool memory modules that are located on the back of the PCB. I can see some thermal pads in there connecting the video memory to the backplate. Here's how it looks as part of my Ryzen 5 7600X based PC build. I like it. I think this graphics card feels at home in this build. Check out this MSI logo. It has some kind of 3D effect in it. This effect is achieved by shining LEDs straight up into this transparent bit right here. There are additional RGB LED lights on the plastic shroud. The 4060 Ti is quite power efficient. Have a look at that. It consumes just 145 watts of power. Thermal performance is also quite good. We have 64 degrees on the GPU and GPU hotspot is at 75 degrees. Well, sometimes 76. And that is on a hot day. It is quite hot right now here in the UK. It's 26.5 degrees in my room. That is 79.7 American units. And despite this pretty hot environment, the graphics card performs really well. Take a look at the GPU fan. It's only at just above 1400 RPM, and I don't even have to take out my microphone to show you the noise, because there's no noise to show. It is whisper quiet. Bear in mind that I've configured the system fans to run at lower RPM as well, to make sure that the system stays quiet. So if you have your system fans running at a higher RPM, then the GPU will have even better cooling. Let's talk about gaming performance. The 16GB RTX 4060 Ti is capable of delivering a good experience even paired with a 4K monitor. Of course, I had to use DLSS, but I was able to enjoy the most demanding game of this year so far, Hellblade 2, using the highest graphics preset. Less demanding games, such as Horizon Forbidden West, can be enjoyed at 4K 60fps using very high graphics preset, DLSS performance, and frame generation on. By the way, on my channel I have separate in-depth videos testing the graphics card's performance at 4K 1440p and 1080p resolution. I'll link them in the description below. The 4060 Ti is also capable of running the most demanding games at 1440p, but you'll still need to enable DLSS if you want a 60fps experience while using the highest graphics presets in the latest games. If you think that you'll be able to use the 4060 Ti to play any game at native 1080p resolution using the highest graphics presets, then I have bad news. In Hellblade 2, I've experienced 30+ FPS in the worst case scenarios. This recently released game is extremely GPU demanding, so you will have to lower some graphics settings to get a consistent 60 FPS experience. However, in other new games, such as Ghosts of Tsushima, the 4060 Ti easily delivers 60 FPS experience. In conclusion, I am very pleased with the MSI Gaming X graphics card. Yes, it is compact, but it is also quiet and thermals are great. So if noise levels are important to you, then this graphics card is a good choice because it is whisper quiet under full load. The MSI Gaming X gets my recommendation, and if you'd like to buy it, then check it out at the link in the description below. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.